How's everybody doing today? Of course, I'm out here with nothing but the Simplex Plus Wicked Digger digging around. So I came out to one of my farm permissions. So far I've gone, you can see this fence here. I've gone all up this fence and basically gridded this whole area. You can see I dug a few holes. Nothing but junk and junk and junk. And I just dug something I think is pretty good. We'll see. It was about 5 inches down. I think I see a frame. Oh yeah. That is sweet. Look at that. Might be a knee buckle or something. That's my first. I wish I had the insides, but that's the first time I've ever had a complete frame of a buckle. It's been quiet in this area. Let's see what the pin was here. Alright, so I'm very excited for that. First relic of the day, about my 4th hole that I've dug. Sweet. Alright, so keep you posted on any other finds that we can get today. Hopefully we save some more history. This is a good start. I've only been here about 15 minutes. Maybe 20. Say hello to my little sheep friend. They've been following me around. I just came on this side of the fence. There's, a bunch of different fences that separate little fields here, and these guys, they're so funny. They're like cats. They're so curious. They stay back. They let me pet them real quick, and then they want to walk away. And they come back. Next thing I know, they're all 3 of them right behind me, following me around. So anyhow, oh yeah, I know. So I went through this whole little section in here pretty much. Besides that, I believe it's a knee buckle frame. I didn't find a whole lot inside there. I've been through that field before and found some wheat pennies, so I was hoping to find some more coins, but I didn't. So I came on the other side here, just got a great 85 signal and a little rains guide here. Sweet. There's a lot of iron in this area that I'm in right now, so hopefully it's a good indication that there's something else good in here. I'll let you know. So I've been going through this next section that I started off where I showed you the sheep over there. A lot of modern change in here. 1 shotgun shell. This is where I got that little rains guide. And I just got a signal in here that was bouncing a little bit, like 3845. And I believe it's a button. I don't really know. Something on there. It's concaved kind of like a button, but I don't see a shank or any place where there would be a shank. I'll have to clean this up a little better, take a better look at it, and I'll let you know what we got here. Alright, so we're out of this other section now into another section that I've hit many times, and I found lantern parts here, tons of shotgun shells. I just got a 6475 bouncing around signal. Looks like a ring. I don't know. I don't know if it's sterling or not, but it would be nice. Probably just a junker, but well, we'll clean it up and see, and I'll let you know. Pretty cool anyhow. Well, just to come back real quick, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it is stamped 925. So we've got silver for the day. Awesome. It's broken. It's broken right here, but it's silver, nevertheless. 925. Awesome. Alright, so I dug that sterling ring right over here, and I walked basically all this way, back and forth. It's probably about a, I don't know, 100-foot section, and I just got a great mid-tone, so solid, like 54. That's some fancy on that. Look at a little suspender clasp. Clean it up a little better so you can see the fanciness, but it's pretty nice. I will take it and keep on digging, see what's next. Alrighty, so I've moved over to kind of the front section of the yard. It's an island around the driveway. I just dug like 7 pennies, a quarter, a piece of junk. I just popped something out of the plug. It's giving me about a 62 signal. Sure looks like a button. BP. I was here one time with my fiance where she dug 2 of these in a button spill. I don't know, maybe 8 feet from here, so that's cool that there's more. Sweet. I will take that any day. First button today, so I'm happy with that. So now I'm at another section of the yard that I haven't really done too much. Just got a solid 80 signal. There was a nail in the hole, and found this. Don't know what it is. Thought it was something better, but I don't know. Little bazinga of some sort. Looked like it might have been a little buckle, but alright, keep plugging. Now I'm out in the huge field that's way out back, which I've detected so many times. Obviously I've never detected every inch of it, but this is the first time it's been completely mowed short, so I must have recently done it. So I just got a screamer of a signal. Hope you can see it. I think it's a button. It's got a really strange back to it. I'm gonna have to clean it up and see. It looks like it's got something on it, so I don't know if it was a drawer pull, button, or what. I'll clean it up a little bit and let you know. So there it is. Looks like it says beach jacket. I don't think it's very old. It was off a Life Vest. I don't know. I have no idea. But it says beach jacket. Alright, we'll keep plugging. So I'm in another new field, and same property, but a different area. Just got a piece of suspended clasp. A lot of times we can get a date off of these, so hopefully we can. We'll see. See you on the next one.